Ano ngayon kung hindi ka maintindihan ng iba? Stop worrying about other people understanding you. Ang gawin mo, get in touch with yourself instead. Mag-focus ka kung ano magpapasaya sa'yo. What makes your soul feel at peace? Tandaan mo, you are your biggest commitment. So mahalin mo yung mga kapalpakan mo, yung mga pag-aalanganin mo. Sinasabi siguro ng iba na weird ka, accept mo yun. Your intensity, your vulnerability, and everything about you. Mas fulfilling ang buhay when you are just simply yourself. When you are being yourself. Pag nagpapakatotoo ka, pagtotoo ka. Stop pretending. Be real. Be yourself. Tuloy po ang ikot ng mundo. So whether or not maiintindihan ka ng ibang tao o hindi, why not just think about you?